guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Pila, and please do not forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I really do appreciate you guys. As you guys saw from the intro, today's video is a hair video, so I am going to be unboxing and also installing and also reviewing all in one video. I'll start off with unboxing the hair, and then I am then going to show you how I install the hair, and then also show you guys everything that there is to show about the hair. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. So the name of the company is called Upgradeu Hair. They're in China. You can check out their website and also check out all their social media platforms just to see which other hair they have. I will make sure that I link everything on the description box down below. So if you'd like to order the hair, or you'd like to see which other hair they have and their pricing and everything like that, please make sure that you check the description box. I'll make sure that I link everything down for you guys. I was so excited when I received the hair because they told me they are sending me curly hair. I love curly hair so much. Like, if I had to choose between straight and curly, I'm definitely going for curly. Before we get into unboxing the hair, let me just tell you guys about the shipping, how much the hair is, what they said the hair was, etc. Alright, so the hair was sent to me on the 31st of May and I received it on the 8th of June. So that was literally like a week. So the hair was sent to me via DPX. So they used DPX to courier the hair, and I did not pay any customs fee whatsoever. I was so happy about that because, as we know, whenever you import something into South Africa, you will be liable to pay tax or customs fee or whatever the situation is. So I did not pay any of that. The hair was just delivered directly to my door without me paying a cent. The hair is a 14 inches kinky curly bob. It's a 13 by 4 with transparent lace, and they told me that the density is 180. So let's open it and see if that's exactly what I got. All right guys, before I pick up this thing because it will make noise, this is how, let me just talk first and then I will show you, because this is plastic, so it will definitely make noise. You guys will probably not hear me. So this is how the hair was delivered to me. It came in this gray courier bag. As I said guys, it was couriered via DPX. I'm not sure if you can see it. I had to hide my address and number. I haven't opened it yet because I saved it to open with you guys. I was tempted to open it, but I was like, you know what, it's gonna be nicer if I open the hair on camera than opening it off camera. So now we're gonna open the hair and see how it looks. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, it came in this nice satin bag. So the bag is branded. It's written Upgradeu Hair, and then it says human hair wigs, and then it says love your hair, show your beauty, unprocessed human hair that is high quality. Ooh. Alright guys, so now we're getting to the star of the show, the hair. Ding, 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 ding. Da, 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 da. So here is the hair. Alright, so it came in a plastic bag. Actually, I know it's making noise. So the plastic bag is labeled. I hope you guys can see. So it's written 13 by 4 Bobo. I'm sure they meant Bob. It's color 1B, 14 inches. Yeah. Right, so let's open the hair. Gorime, you wanna bomba? You wanna chili with the biggie boys? Right, so here's the hair. Oh, I'm in love already. It's in a hairnet. So Gorime, dorime. And then here is the hair. Okay, so they put a paper, and I don't know what this is. So here is the hair, guys. I mean, good man. Ooh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Alright guys, so excitement aside, let me come closer so that you guys can see the hair. So this is the hair. As you can see, she's so pretty. So the curls are a bit loose. They're not as kinky as I thought that they will be. Mara, I still love them irregardless. I love curly hair, guys. I really do. And the lace, as I said, is transparent. So basically what I'm going to be reviewing is, number one, I need to tell you guys about the quality of the hair. I'm just going to be honest. I was not paid to do this video. They only sent me the hair, so I am going to do an honest review for you guys, as I always do.
After doing the first part of the video, guys, I actually noticed that, nah man, this is not actually a review, but it is a first impression video. So this is a first impression video because it's hair that I took out straight from the plastic and I was just reviewing how it looked then. So I'm actually going to do a detailed review after I've washed the hair, after I've cut off the lace, after I have bleached the knots and done everything. But for now, the hair looked so nice. I'm loving the curls and everything like that. It looks like proper quality. So look out for the video where I'm going to have a detailed review of the hair. As a person that do not know how to customize hair, I just tucked in the lace and then I put on a headband on top, and honestly this is the easiest and the fastest way for me to put on hair. Just put a headband on top of it, cover the lace, and then we're good to go up until it is customized. So guys, look out for that video, and thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and also like this video, and please do not forget to follow Upgradeu Hair. Follow them on Instagram and on TikTok, and also check out their website. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.